Pre-colored soft gel tips are completely changing the nail game. So these tips can be applied using gel for 3 or more weeks of wear. And a lot of these tips are coming with designs on them. So all you need to do is cure them on your nail and you have salon quality nails with designs on them. That is wild. So I think this is a game changer for anyone who's doing their nails at home, especially people who aren't experienced at it. Like when I just started doing my nails, they looked horrible. It takes a long time to get good at it. And these, there's a really little learning curve and you can just get going. But that is also super dangerous. So these nails, a lot of these, because they are pre-colored, do not cure underneath as well as clear tips. So there's a big danger around people doing this at home when they might not have a very strong nail lamp or they're just using a flash cure nail lamp, that people are exposing themselves to uncured gel. So we're talking allergies, we are talking blisters on your nails, we're talking your nails falling off. It's really nasty stuff that can happen if you get an allergy to these things. So what do we do about this? I think it starts with doing a cure test at home, making sure you have a pretty powerful nail lamp. You can really get some pretty decent nail lamps that have like a mirror on the bottom that are gonna cure your gel from all angles for somewhere in like the $35, $50 price range, which, hang with me, that seems kind of expensive, but really one acrylic manicure at the salon can cost what now, like $100, $120, you know, $35 to $50 for a really nice nail lamp that's gonna cure your gel really hard and help prevent you from getting an allergy, I think is a really worthwhile investment. I still think these are an absolute game changer. They're amazing products and I'm so excited that there's so many coming out on the market. Just make sure that you're looking into all of the risks with these and you're doing it safely. If you want to learn more, check out my video that I mentioned. I go over 10 different brands and also some really common issues that you can run into with just about any brand. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you got something out of it. If you want to stick around and see some of the other stuff I'm putting out, I'm going to be doing a really fun video where I actually do these nails. This design is actually created by AI and then I tried to replicate it to different levels of success. So if you want to see that, when it drops, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you see it when it comes out. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.